always looking to make different recipes using eggs, and today we're going to do a very special recipe which is actually my mother's recipe, which is Andhra egg curry. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to roast the boiled eggs. Just take 2 teaspoons of oil. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, I've taken 5 boiled eggs, slit them on all sides. Gently drop the egg into the oil. Keep the flame on low and roast the eggs for about 2 minutes. Make sure the masalas go to the eggs. For the egg curry, take a nice wide kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit, a few cloves of garlic, add a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Once the onions are nice and brown, add the chopped tomatoes. I've taken 2 large tomatoes. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the tomatoes are nice and mushy, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, add 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, you can use table salt. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of diluted tamarind puree. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. After adding the water, let the gravy boil for about 10 minutes on medium flame. The curry has been boiling for about 10 minutes. The raw smell is gone. Close and cook on medium-low flame for about 10 minutes. They look absolutely gorgeous. Oil has separated. Garnish it with a few chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. Serve it hot with some nice steamed rice. So there you go. Here is this very special Andhra egg curry. Now this is a very nice, tangy and spicy curry that can be best enjoyed with some steamed rice and ghee. So do try and enjoy this delicious egg curry. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.